This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video today is specifically dedicated to those of you who have a damp basement where the walls are constructed from hollow concrete blocks. This is a report from the town of Bruckneudorf in Austria. A basement with walls soaked to about half a meter high, and additionally, as will be shown in the final part of the film, the walls were wet up to 2 meters, reaching the windows. What did we do in this case to permanently secure and dry out this basement? We applied our own proprietary technology, so instead of injections at the connection point between the slab and the walls, we cut a groove. And this groove has been created all around the external perimeter of the entire basement and also in those areas where partition walls are present. To ensure the continuous integrity of the insulation, we carefully penetrated these partition walls and applied insulation there as well, specifically to prevent any potential future leaks from occurring. The biggest problem here is that these are hollow blocks which are empty, and this is generally a problem for all types of insulation. In order to effectively deal with this problem now, we proceeded to create openings, which we subsequently filled with our specialized NCT CEM waterproofing mortar, and this material then completely filled the blocks from the interior and, well, as an active NCT material, it deeply penetrates into the intricate pores of these construction blocks and effectively insulates them, not merely within their central core, but also extends and emerges completely to the outer surface. And in this manner, we achieve comprehensive and thorough insulation across the entire full thickness of the complete wall structure, thereby ensuring absolute and complete waterproofing, along with the effective and thorough drying of the wall itself. The walls were covered with two waterproofing materials, NCT crystal and NCT CEM. They were applied to a thickness sufficient to even out the surface where the old plaster had been, and then they were smoothly troweled, skim coated, and finally painted. Traditionally, in situations like these, when moisture starts to rise from the foundation slab and up into these blocks, injections are typically used. We do not recommend this particular method, however, as these solutions are very short-lived and ineffective. That is why the solution that we implement by cutting a specialized groove into the concrete slab and subsequently filling this groove with our proprietary NCT material forms an additional highly effective watertight sealing wedge, which provides long-lasting and durable protection against both general moisture ingress and high-pressure water. At the very end, we're installing what's known as a smart fan. For those of you who are interested, I'd refer you to our previous videos where we've described this in much more detail. What is it? The service warranty is 30 years. The cost for this service is approximately 20,000 zlotys. We wish you dry walls and invite you to collaborate.
Trejnaxka fuq il-video dottor leċajn ma santivi gononis la madda pro nosov xats kalibas xankaron xitti mon fi fil-mashru għal-qadim.